Welcome to the SoundWaves AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate and manage text-to-speech in SoundWaves AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI Text-to-Speech. Click on Create New Voice. Here you can generate AI speech from text. Enter your voice title. Select your language. Choose Voice Creator out of the options. Select Voice Output Volume from the drop-down. Select Speaking Volume from the drop-down. Insert your text. Click on Generate Voice. You can play your AI voice.
SoundWaves AI, advanced voice cloning, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and AI-driven image and video.
You can download AI voice into your device. You can view your AI voice details. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.